So, hi guys, it's me Adam, and today we're going to talk about the work we do. So, today I'm not going to first when you grow up, you have to do this work, you have to do that work. No, all works are essential, okay? Yeah, I'll tell you about the work we do, how hard it is, and what benefit we get through it. Yeah, painter, writer, postman, garage owner. These are a few of the list that we as jobs we can do when we grow up. Yeah, and as you can see, we even have off the teacher, YouTuber, market seller, and government. Now, after this, each work we do depends upon our skills. Now, when you think of I can do this, you've mainly focused on this in your entire life. That means you mainly have the best skill for doing that job. Yes, all works are important for life. Each work does different stuff but prevents the world from changing. Now imagine if you are like a doctor. Now you think I think teacher is better. It gives me more cash. Then you go to teacher's job and then you found out that there are more sick people happening. Now you go back, then you found out more cash. You keep on doing this for cash. You cannot handle the world then. Each work, okay? Yes, so different works and the shop office. Like if you are in this work, there are different companies of different stuff provides different amount of cash. Yes, teaching. As you can see, teaching is one of the most common things. Actually, the teachers help students to learn. The each child's life depends on upon how good the teacher is. So if you are like a maths teacher and you are a really good teacher, you can easily explain everything wellly. That means you are helping your students that they will learn maths pretty fast and they will be a good man. The teachers help us to be a good person. We should respect our teachers for their hard work. Not just for their hard work, we should respect them for everything they do for us. Yes, and YouTuber. One of my most favorite job. YouTuber records videos for their fans. People who watch or slash like their episodes. Some of them make videos of gaming and some of information like I do. Yeah, their goal is to make others happy. That means that if the YouTube videos don't make anybody happy, it's like a basic video, then it's like a useless video. No one would watch that. It will have way more dislikes, and that's bad. Okay, now the market seller. It's taken so. Yeah, the market seller. Finally. So the market seller actually does get a lot of loss more than profit, because if it sells vegetables and it's not good for eating, then he loses cash. Now imagine if you're going on a area with a lot of vegetables, you each one paid more than 1,000, and you found out, oh my gosh, this one is not good for our health. Then no one won't buy it, and you'll have to throw it away. That's a lot of loss, and it has to give a lot of discount on all of the items so that it can attract customers. Now no matter how much cheap it is, you have to give a discount sign that now for a few days this is discounted, then more customers will come. Yes, the government, one of the most biggest jobs in the entire world. Okay, the government controls our country. The president and the prime minister are also in the government. You see that the local self government we have of state, city, and the actual country, all of them are in the government. The president, the prime minister, everything is in the government. Even the chief minister is in our country. After every 5 years, a new government is elected. So basically, 5 years, till 5 years, that government can govern the country. Then there's the election of new government, but you can still attend the election. A painter, the painter's job is pretty easy. As you can see at the photo, the painter paints pictures. As I told you, it's just by the name, it's a painter. Some painters paint of real or they make it cartoony. Now if you see some painters, they make it such a beautiful drawing of like the weather, the house, or anything, a realistic one. And you see some make a cartoony one. And after painters paint, they sell the picture or keep it in their house for decoration. Now you see that a lot of times when you visit a painter, you can see in its walls that, oh my gosh, there's so many paintings. You see everywhere. You cannot see a blank wall without a painting. So that's what the painters do. They sell it or keep it in the house for decoration. A writer. Yes. The writer actually, now we're going to compare the writer and painter's life. Their life is same as painter, but they have to think of what they write as well as painters can draw anything. You saw in the photo that the painter actually can draw anything it can see, but the writer can't, because it has to think. It can't make a senseless sentence. It has to make a meaningful sentence. Yes, after writers finish writing, they make books of it, the pages, and then sell it or keep it in the house for I don't know what thing. It's hard for the writers because they can't write anything. Yes, the right. Now postman. Actually, it has to deliver post to other people, as you can see. But nowadays people are using online gadgets like laptops to send mails, and well, that is bad. Now you can, if you be a postman, you will have lot of less profit. Has to drive a truck when needed to go far, but he walks he walks or drives a cycle or bike or scooter. Huh. It's when it's in a small distance. Okay, garage. The garage. Well, as you can see, the garage owner worker, it has to repair the cars, bikes, and everything. Now, if one thing gets wrong, it has to restart it again. Now, imagine if you're screwing out a bolt and accidentally screwed out another one, or you did it too fast, then the entire thing fell out. One thing, everything is important in our human body system. If we don't have the heart, our bloods won't happen. Just like that, if there is no tire, the car won't be able to move. If there is like no doors, how will they have protection? That's how the entire world is. Everything is essential for life. Well, thanks guys, and please like and subscribe the video for future updates. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. For now guys, bye.